Bound by Blood, L1. You about to spit that hard stuff. Yeah.
You my cameraman. There go my cameraman. There go my cameraman. 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 Yeah, he be taping all these slut hoes that I be raping. There go my cameraman. And yeah, he making a he making a hit, he doing all type of shit. There go my cameraman. Yeah, he straight save me, hit this bitch from the back. There go my cameraman. And he be like laughing cause he don't understand. When I be doing this shit, I don't give a fuck. My cameraman can get his dick licked. Oh, there go my cameraman. We be in a sedan. He be recording. That's okay, but no, I ain't affording. I don't even care. I'm in this like Gordon Flash to be 100 fucking Zach. There go my cameraman. Hell yeah, there goes a rat. There go my cameraman. There go my cameraman, my cameraman. There go my cameraman, and he be taping me. And there go my cameraman. There go my cameraman, my cameraman. There go my cameraman. There go my cameraman. There go my cameraman, and he see me while I'm on the phone, and he see me. While I'm in my zone. There go my cameraman. He's telling me to go home. He wanna get some fucking sleep and take this bone. There go my cameraman. But I can't be stopped. There go my cameraman. And yeah, he taping the wop. There go my cameraman. He might get me indicted, but that's okay, nigga, cause you know I fucking like it. There go my cameraman. Take that bitch over there while she sucking and fucking. There go my cameraman. 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 My cameraman. There go my cameraman. My cameraman. There go my cameraman. You see me up in this bitch, man. Bound by Blood shit, man. My cameraman, man. That's my man, you know what I'm saying? You know how we get it in.
This is 50.com, JVON space A2NT on Facebook. If you got time to get at me, Sleek Headphones by 50.com. Get 'em.